Oh, hi there. There is something I want to share. Well, I discovered something that might interest you. Come with me. 90% of garbage floating in the oceans is plastic. And only 5% of it is recycled. I'll show you how these garbage patches form. The garbage starts where people live, and within a few months, wind-driven, swirling currents or gyres move these plastics around the open ocean and forms garbage patches. The contents of the garbage patch circulate constantly. There are 5 main gyres in the world's oceans. Most of the debris in the ocean winds up in one of these. Scientists recently announced the existence of a garbage patch in the Indian Ocean. And now it is the 3rd major collection of plastic garbage discovered in the world's oceans. The Indian Ocean garbage patch comprises a massive area, at least 2 million square miles in size, but with no clear boundaries. The borders of the plastic garbage patch are difficult to determine, because much of the plastic is in pieces too small to be seen by satellites or planes. Marine debris generated by the 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake and tsunami has been salvaged by people living along the Indonesian coastline. There is no island of trash. Rather, garbage patches resemble plastic soup or confetti. The sun breaks down plastic into smaller and smaller pieces, but not broken down entirely. It remains as a polymer. The plastic ultimately becomes small enough to be ingested by aquatic organisms. Plastic waste enters the food chain, from zooplanktons to small fishes. From small fishes to larger fishes. And into your stomach.